A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We'll continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation Zimbabwe. So today, there are several comrades who were supposed to be fired from ZANU-PF or suspended from ZANU-PF pending, disciplinary hearings. But somebody threw spanners and Mnangagwa failed to proceed or to continue with that deal. So he ended up introducing something and said that they convened an extraordinary Politburo meeting to deliberate on the recommendation for hero status of the late Jason Chirinda, which is so wrong, which is a lie. We have seen so many comrades dying, and they've been declared national heroes without a deliberation from the Politburo. We would see that the Politburo would be briefed about such decisions that kudhara. We have seen so many national heroes being declared pasina mbogara Politburo. This is the first time we are hearing that they had to reconvene. They had to call for an extraordinary Politburo meeting to talk zvakaita sezvizvi. Imagine kuti kune ma-Politburo members anenge abva from other provinces just to travel kunoita deliberation yekuti kune munhu afa igamba here kana kuti haazi. That is a lie. The fact is that before the Politburo meeting happened, details had leaked already of the targeted members or of the targeted people. And a warning was sent, kuti touch not the anointed ones. So it seems as if the Lacoste faction will need to regroup, will need to re-strategize, will need to reorganize, and will need to do things differently. Because kune vatonzi touch is a move. Kana wangobata apa, hapasina kudzokera kumashure taakutokudashura. And this is something which is very, very, very interesting happening in ZANU-PF. No matter how they would try to lie, kuti hakuna zviri kuitika, no matter how they are going to try to downplay these things, ndo zviri kuitika, ndo mamiriro zvakaita. Isu tinoramba tiri kumateresi takatarisa zvedu, tichibvunza mubvunzo kuti paya pamaidestroya opposition paya, maidestroya opposition muchiti zvichapera sei? You were busy destroying the opposition, hiring wana chabangu, paying them. Maifungidzira kuti zvinopera sei imimi? Now ike zvino izvi maakurarama nenhema, maakurarama nekunyepa kuti hanzi Politburo this, Politburo that. When you know for sure the consequences of your actions, kuti kuna vamwe vanhu vaakubuda pachena more directly than you never thought of. Imagine uchifungidzira kuti you are in charge, umwe munhu obva akuudza kuti hamdara izvi zvauri kuda kuita hazvibudi izvi pachena. It's said. I'm going to show you something which was said by George Charamba, which is telling, self-evident, kuti zvinhu hazvisina kumira zvakanaka muZANU-PF. And muri kupisa muZANU-PF zvokuti varakashi vari kuudzwa kunzi vakomana dzikamai. Varakashi brigade, I'm told kuti pane vatosamonwa kuti vaudzwe kuti hakusina chinhu chavanofanira kuposta without prior approval kana zviri zvinhu zviri sensitive zvichienderana neagenda 2030. There are certain things they are no longer allowed, but the major problem is how do you rein them, because kune vamwe vanga vachioperata vari mapazi, they will continue kurakasha as usual, and it's going to be very difficult to rein them in, because varakasha, they are going to cause more chaos and more troubles. So ndo zviri kuitika. Politburo zviri kunzi jecha radirwa nhasi, and we are going to wait and see for the further moves. It seems as if team generally iri kuuya nazvo, team generally yaakuvava, iri kudya gaka. Vanopabuda here apa vakuru? We do not know. So we are going to watch and see how they are going to bring easiness to the whole thing, but hazvina kumira zvakanaka.